Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be getting new furniture for my bedroom. Literally, I am going to change everything. I'm super excited, so I'm just going to bring y'all along with me. There's not really much to it except that I'm getting new stuff and everything. I already have my list, so we can go now. Follow me.
So we're at IKEA. She's redesigning her bedroom, if y'all don't know. Okay, I can't record in here, so I'll take a seat.
We're looking for help, and we haven't had any luck yet. We didn't find any help, but we're using the computer to buy all our stuff here.
Which one is it?
Oh, I'm getting that one. We have the location for everything, and now we have to go get it ourselves. And I thought someone was gonna help us go get it. But okay, I know, but I thought people were just gonna help us. Thank you. Maybe we can get that. Oh my gosh. Mommy. Look at that. I'm hard. I'm gonna show that. I'm going to sue you motherfuckers. Nothing fit in the car, so we had to do a home delivery. We're gonna clean out my room today so that everything is ready to set up.
You should clean the car before your eyes.
Yay! Hey guys, the IKEA people just dropped off all my stuff, so now me and my sister are gonna set up everything. Guys, we're about to start, so I'll probably do a montage now. Okay, what are we doing?
What am I doing? Putting over those parts where I need it.
A few moments later.
My finger. Okay.
God, first off, my knee went into this.
I need to go pee. Thought you're about to, oh my god.
I was like trying to go to the other side, and then my finger literally went. Oh my god, ow. Oh my god. That hurt so bad. I don't want to do this anymore.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, it's been 3 hours later and we were so close to being done, but they messed up and gave me the wrong, I forgot what this is called, but they gave me the wrong size. They gave me a king size and they were supposed to give me a full, but the bed is stable and it is good, but have to go back to IKEA tomorrow to get the right size. But other than that, my sister and I are gonna fix my side tables for at night, and then that will be it for today.
The next day.
Okay guys, it is currently day 2 and I'm going to show you what I have so far done. So last night I tried to clean up a little bit. I have my trash bag. It's obviously very messy, but I'm going to IKEA to return that box and return 2 other things that they gave me that were wrong. But yeah, that's what I have so far. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. So I got a plant and a lamp now, and I'm heading out to check out.
One eternity later.
So we just got home. We just got home. So we just got home. We just got home. We just got home. So we just got stop. So we just got home and ate, and now we're about to take out the stuff that I got from IKEA. All right. So as we were putting this on, we figured out that we didn't screw that on the right thing. So we have to screw it onto the top one right now. So yeah. Okay, I finally have my bed up, guys. So it looks good. I just need some pillows and I need a sheet, but it's coming together. So now the next step is building my light that I bought. So okay guys, this is the final thing. And it definitely looks a lot better than before. So I'm super excited. She helped me build it.
Yes, I did.
And it was a lot of fun, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I understand why people pay people to build stuff now, because that is very hard and difficult. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm excited to say that I have a giveaway in this video, and I will be choosing 3 to 5 people, maybe more depending. But I wanted to say thank you to Anastasia Beverly Hills for sending me makeup and putting me on the PR list so that I am able to receive makeup and also able to give away makeup to you guys. So the products that they gave me are eyeshadows, glitters, lipsticks, and much more that I'm going to be able to give away to you guys. Some of the products that they gave me that you guys will be receiving have glitters, highlighters, and a ton of palettes that I'm ready to give away to you guys. And I have more lipsticks. I have a ton, like this box goes on and on. So in order to be entered into the giveaway, you have to make sure you're following all my social medias, and once you're done, please comment down below that you're done and you'd like to be entered into the giveaway, and also be sure to comment your age and also a reason why you would like the makeup. I'll be choosing a winner within this week, so be sure to look out in your Instagram DM that you have won the giveaway. I'll be keeping in contact with you on the address and how I'll be shipping it out to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And yeah, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification, the notification, whatever, in order to see more videos that I'm going to be posting. Bye!
She said, I don't mean to make this hard, but trust me boy, I've got these scars. If you